Hello everyone, Miss Carrie here. Today I have something really special to share with you, a fun and simple process video that will elevate your scrapbook game. This month I've been working with the July collection from Hip Kit Club. The one that I have here is the embellishment kit. Each month Hip Kit offers an embellishment kit, cardstock kit, color kit, dies, and cut files that coordinate with the main kit and Pocket Life kit. The July embellishment collection includes a set of mini puffy alpha shape stickers, embossed puffy faux wax seals, chipboard flare stickers, tag and label die cuts, and vellum floral die cuts. You also receive a mini phrase stamp set, which I don't have here, so I'll just pop it up on the screen for you to see. Not only will I be using the July collection on my layout, I'll also add some butterflies to my page with these new stitchable butterfly dies. How cute are these? As I create today's project, I'll bring in a few more items. If you would like a list of the supplies I'm using, I have provided you with links to each item in the description below. Let's get started with the project. The background I'm creating is super simple and can be replicated using just about any paper pattern that matches your photos. I've cut some 3-inch paper strips and I'm adding a torn edge at the top and bottom before I place them down onto this deep dive stripe paper. The photo I'm using has the color pink, a blue sky, and it's farm themed. The July collection has more of an island theme, but there were plenty of simple patterns in the kit that didn't. Now I wanted to bring some more whimsy to this layout, so I laid my patterns unevenly. If you want a more structured feel, you can omit those torn edges and line all of these patterns nice and straight on your page. When you have a selection of background designs ready to go, you'll find that your scrapbook projects come together much faster. All you have to do is pick your colors, choose some coordinating patterns, and add a few embellishments. Before you know it, you have a beautifully finished scrapbook page. Under this photo, I'm going to layer a few border stickers. These will help to ground that photo. Now I just realized that I forgot to add the stitching to those paper strips. I'm going to do that off camera real quick, and then I'll share which elements I'm going to add to the page. I have adhered a tag from the tag and labels onto my page for journaling. I'm going to place this circle over here and bring in these 2 wooden suns. I do want this page to have a farm-like feel, so I'm going to turn these into sunflowers. With the distress crayons in the color kit, I'm going to paint the wood shapes. These are untreated wood and they soak up the pigment really well. Since these crayons have a bit of a wax coating, the color is more opaque, not like a wood stain that would show the wooden texture. As I finish adding color to these, I would love it if you took a moment to tap that thumbs up icon and subscribe to this channel. We always appreciate your comments too. Feel free to let us know what inspired you today. While these crayons are out, I considered bringing in some more pink over by the tag, so I added color to the wooden circle. Later on, I ended up removing it, but as you can see, this color is very vibrant and it's perfect for a summer layout. I'm going to layer 2 flag die cuts from the main kit and place them near the tag. On the opposite side, I'm going to sit one of the foam phrase stickers. This says sunny days. By placing all of these elements in a horizontal line, I've created a nice grounding element for that tag. I'm going to be adding leaves up near the photo, so I'm going to place a set of these near the tag also. This is going to help create some diagonal flow up to the focal point of the page. To create some sunflowers, I'm going to use those wooden suns and these vellum leaf shapes. I do need to trim up the vellum a bit to make them look more like stems. At first, I wasn't sure if this would work, but once everything was in place, they really began to look just like sunflowers. I wanted to bring some summer phrases to my page. I did find quite a few summer phrases in this Beat the Heat pattern. I placed the words "Hey, hey, sunshine" up near my photo. I'm adding the words "Sweet summertime" onto the tag, and the words "Loving this" below that foam sun sticker. For the centers of the sunflowers, I'm going to use wooden shapes. I have a small heart for the little sunflower and the word "bliss" for the larger one. As you can see, I also removed the pink circle. It seemed a bit out of place once I added the unfinished wood to the flowers. I'm going to add the word "summer" with the wooden letters as my title. At first, I did lay these above the tag, but they do look much better in this space here below the photo. I debated adding color to them, but I think the unstained wood adds to that farm theme of the layout. Now, before I adhere these in place, I am going to take a step back. This page has an asymmetrical feel, but right now everything is a bit disconnected. I need to find a way to tie all these pieces together. I've cut some butterflies from the same blue cardstock as the photo frame, and I'm going to layer these onto the page. The die cuts have some rows of holes that are designed for stitching. I chose not to add them this time, but I can always add it later on. You can also use those as a template for some gems or sequins. Now that these butterflies are in place, everything is really starting to come together. I'm going to go ahead and adhere that title down, and then I'll share the completed page with you. Here is that completed layout that I shared with you today. To finish off the design, I added more butterflies near the lower portion of the page by that tag. This creates a diagonal flow across the entire layout, leading the eye from the story up to the photo. Below my title, I added a small arrow from the Tags and Labels collection and a micro puffy sticker that says Memories. This finished off the title nicely and allowed me to bring some more pink and blue to the layout. The items I used today came from the July Hip Kits. If you're a member of the Hip Kit Club, you save $5 on the main kit and 15% on coordinating items, which ship free with your main kit. If you'd like to learn more, I've added details in the description below. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope this project inspired you to try something new. If you have any questions about this project or the supplies I used, feel free to post that in the comments below. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I can't wait to see what you create.